Deep under the waves, where the ocean keeps moving, lives a little fish who never sits still. He wakes up early, zooms out of his coral home and says, "Today is going to be fun. School is waiting." Splasho go, through the water fast and slow. Big blue world, come and see. Splasho lives the ocean dream. At ocean school, the little fish joins his group. They count shiny shells, they draw shapes in the sand. They learn ocean rules. Be kind, take turns, help your friends. When the teacher asks a question, his fin shoots up fast. He loves school. Splasho go, learn and grow. Numbers, words, watch them glow. Flip your fins and nod your head. Learning fun is what he said. When class is done, he doesn't rush away. He helps tidy the space. He stacks the shells. He says goodbye. Then he swims to the sea market, carrying sea plants, floating baskets, and shiny shells for dinner. Helping feels powerful. Swim and help, help and swim. Ocean smiles back at him. Little acts and big time care. Helping shows how much you share. Later, his friends appear from every side. They race past rocks, they dart through bubbles. They invent new games on the spot. Laughter pops through the water. The ocean feels alive. Round and round, here we play. Ocean fun, the Splasho way. Fast and free, wild and bright. Every day feels just right. As the water darkens, the little fish slows down. At home, his grandparents are waiting. They tell stories about brave journeys, clever ideas, and never giving up. The stories stay with him. Splasho go, nice and slow. Moonlight makes the ocean glow.